am in front of the Costco wholesale and I am waiting for the ride now. एक कार में बैठ के कहीं पे जाना और उस कार में जब ड्राइवर नहीं रहता है तो कैसा फील होता है, तो चलो चलते हैं। Hey guys, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. I hope आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। Today I am at Phoenix, Arizona और अभी मैं अपने होटल में बस पहुंचने ही वाली हूँ। हम होटल में एंटर कर चुके हैं and we booked a nearby hotel from where we can easily access the Waymo One services. This is Super 8 by Wyndham Chandler Phoenix and it is just 15 minutes away from Waymo One service area. We booked it for around $60 for one day. So I will recommend you this if you are on a short trip or on a like 1 or 2 days trip for vacation here. This is really affordable. And this is the room. Room is quite basic, but the good part is it is neat and clean. हम लोग होटल में पहुंच चुके हैं। यहाँ से हम लोग अभी नियरेस्ट कॉस्टको स्टोर में जाने वाले हैं और वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग एक राइड बुक करने वाले हैं। कुछ सिंपल राइड नहीं है, इसमें कुछ स्पेशल है। I mean to say हम राइड तो बुक करेंगे, हमें कार पिक करने को भी आएगी, बट उस कार में ड्राइवर ही नहीं रहेगा। मीन्स ये ड्राइवरलेस कार प्रोजेक्ट है कि ड्राइवरलेस कार राइड का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहेगा। So let's go. I am going to install the Waymo One app now. You just have to type Waymo One in the App Store or in the Google Play Store and just install it. Arizona is a central hub for Waymo. You can grab a ride in Scottsdale, Chandler, Mesa, Tempe, and downtown Phoenix. Just open the app, hop in, and let the car do the driving. These self-driving cars from Waymo make travel so easy and stress-free. Whether you are off to work or just out exploring, the future of getting around is here. मैं अभी कॉस्टको होलसेल के सामने खड़ी हूँ and I am waiting for the ride now. Costco Wholesale is a big chain of stores in US where you can buy anything, almost anything, any stuff like groceries, furniture, electronics items. So you can buy everything here. ऐप में दिखा रहा है कि अभी 3 मिनट्स है राइड को आने के लिए। So finally the wait is over and our car is here. This is Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid minivan and it is a fully autonomous car. You can see there's a big camera on the top of the car and my initials are also there at the front on the windshield. It's absolutely amazing so that you can easily identify your Waymo car. So my ride has been arrived and I'm very excited to see how this new technology works.
Heading to Walmart Supercenter. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the help button to speak with a rider support agent.
अभी हम लोग सिग्नल पे रुके हुए हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कोई ड्राइवर नहीं है इस कार में और ये अपने आप ही आगे बढ़ रही है। यहाँ पे एक पूरा मैप भी दिया हुआ है। एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मैप you can see how Waymo identify the nearby objects. And I am inside the driverless car. I am very happy and very excited. Have you ever thought about driverless cars before? It's crazy how technology is making things we never thought possible. With Waymo, it's not just about getting from one place to another, but it's about changing how we think about transportation, making it safer, easier, and way more convenient. Car is very clean, and they kept a sanitizer bottle and disinfecting wipes here. Instruction manual is also given. Waymo uses various technologies such as radar, lidar, cameras, and computer visions to not only see the world around it, but also to predict the movements of objects in its surrounding. Radar uses millimeter waves frequencies to provide the Waymo driver with crucial details, like object's distance and its speed. Waymo's sensor allow it to see 360 degrees both in daytime and at night, and it is amazing to know that Waymo can detect objects up to 300 meters. There are 19 cameras on Waymo's Chrysler Pacifica vehicles and 29 cameras on its Jaguar I-Pace vehicles. This is my first riding experience with the self-driving car, and I will 100% recommend it to all of you. If you are in US, then you should try it out once. It is a quite great feeling to be here. Waymo is now operational in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Austin, Texas. It's getting ready to launch in Atlanta, Georgia soon. They have also started testing their self-driving cars in Tokyo, Japan. The company is growing and bringing its technology to more places around the world. Waymo's AI is like a super smart driver that never gets tired or distracted. It learns from every ride to keep getting better and safer. बोलते हैं ना एकदम ऐसे मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल, वैसे ही मुझे अभी फील हो रहा है। देखो कैसे मतलब प्रॉपर देख के अभी ये टर्न
Walmart Supercenter. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until we reach your destination and remember to take all your belongings. We've arrived. Please check your surroundings before exiting the vehicle. close the doors after you exit. Please check your surroundings before exiting the vehicle, and remember to close the doors after you exit.
The driver? I paid $20 an hour to drive the Jaguars.
Say